Morning light bathes the kitchen as a person prepares a meal, their hands poised over a bowl of fresh ground beef. The pristine bowl awaits the addition of the fresh ground beef. Sunlight streams through the window, illuminating the simple promise of fresh ground beef displayed on the screen. Hands work carefully, adding layers of flavor to the beef. A generous pinch of pepper follows, enhancing the aroma. Garlic powder dusts the meat, promising a savory depth. A splash of Worcestershire sauce adds a rich umami note. The words, "season generously," appear, urging abundance. The warmth of the kitchen embraces as I carefully combine ingredients. In the warm kitchen, I meticulously shape thick, round beef patties. The patties sit neatly on a wooden board. Words appear on the screen. Form thick patties. Transition to a sizzling cast iron pan where patties are gently placed. The sizzle intensifies as perfection nears. Sizzle to perfection. The patties sizzle, a golden brown crust beginning to form. The screen displays text, golden brown crust. In the kitchen, a wooden cutting board showcases vibrant, fresh toppings. The kitchen glows with warmth as brioche buns await their transformation. A gentle press of the knife begins the process. The halves are laid gently onto the buttered pan. The pan sizzles, promising golden perfection. Golden hues begin to paint the brioche. A flip reveals the mastery. Each side achieves a perfect, crisp toast. Toasted brioche appears on screen. Cheddar cheese melts over the hot patties. In the kitchen, focus sharpens as I start to build the burger, beginning with the bottom bun. The screen displays a simple yet direct message: burger assembly. A spoonful of special burger sauce is added, its creamy blend hinting at a symphony of flavors. On-screen text appears: special burger sauce. Crisp lettuce and a juicy tomato slice complete the burger. Crisp lettuce, juicy tomato. The narrator speaks: cheesy patty. A cheesy patty is added on top of the tomato. Red onions are methodically layered on the patty. As the screen displays red onion rings, the burger is completed with the final top bun. A burger is delicately sliced in half, steam rising from its center. The perfect cross-section is revealed. A bite into perfection, the lettuce crisps, the bun yields, and the beef melts. The perfect bite flashes across the screen, bathed in sunlight. A rustic wooden table showcases the homemade hamburger better than takeout.